bizarre tinnitus reversing protein uncovered. Doctors laughed when he said he'd cure tinnitus. But forget anything you've ever been told about the supposedly incurable tinnitus. Because Alan Watson has proven all his doctors wrong when he cured his tinnitus in just 14 days. And no, it didn't involve a single bit of medication or surgery. He did it by following the latest research from the United Kingdom, and utilizing a usual body protein that repaired his damaged tinnitus, causing nerve cells. Best of all, it's something you can do too, right this second, from the comfort of your own home. This ground-breaking method has now been used by over 105,000 people in America alone to rid themselves of tinnitus. Find out how you can reverse tinnitus in 14 days. No more ringing. No more hissing. No more fatigue, dizziness or trouble sleeping. Underground secret to naturally reverse tinnitus. Click here. http://tinnitus solution info proco